Visualize your air quality in real time with Panasonic Clean Air Indicator. For this demonstration, we'll be using the new XUBKH model that comes with Clean Air Indicator that provides insight on your air quality with its built-in odor and dust sensors. The odor sensor detects the presence of various odors in the room, while dust sensor detects the presence and concentration of PM 2.5. Now, let's begin the demo of how Clean Air Indicator works. In an excellent air quality environment, the Clean Air Indicator is green. First, we'll place a lighted incense into the environment acting as a source of PM 2.5 particles and odor compounds. As the smoke levels increase, the air quality deteriorates. As you can see, the Clean Air Indicator will gradually change from green to orange, indicating fair air quality, and finally to red indicating poor air quality. Next, we will remove the incense stick from the environment to see how nano-EX and nano-EG eliminates these pollutants. As the air conditioner monitors and checks the concentration of PM 2.5 and odors every second, it automatically activates the purification process. Nano-EX effectively eliminates odors and inhibits pollutants in the air and on surfaces, while nano-EG captures and traps PM 2.5 particles in the filter. With nano-EX and nano-EG actively purifying the air, the Clean Air Indicator changes back from red to orange to green, indicating excellent air quality. You can also control and monitor your air quality through the Comfort Cloud app. Enjoy peace of mind as the Clean Air Indicator effortlessly visualizes the air quality in your living spaces.